Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Secure Boot is enabled in UEFI and that Windows boots in UEFI mode. This avoids signature mismatches. Once done, update Windows and GPU drivers so the system meets Riot's driver signature expectations. Next, check for virtualization or unsigned kernel drivers. These commonly block Vanguard. Disable or uninstall them temporarily to test. You do this now because resolving signature and driver issues upfront prevents repeated reboots and wasted troubleshooting later. Now continue by ensuring Vanguard runs. Open services as admin and restart Riot Vanguard. If that fails, run the Vanguard installer with elevated rights to reinstall its signed driver. At the same time, identify any unsigned or incompatible drivers using Device Manager and either update, sign properly, or remove them with care. Additionally, run sfc/scano and chkdsk to repair system files and disk errors, because corrupted system components can break Secure Boot enforcement and driver verification. Finish by re-enabling Secure Boot in UEFI if you temporarily disabled it, then boot Windows and verify Vanguard appears in the system tray. This confirms the signed driver loaded. Launch Valorant to test gameplay. If it blocks, gather the Windows boot log and Vanguard log to identify driver or signature failures. If problems persist, roll back recent drivers, perform a clean boot to remove software conflicts, and reinstall Vanguard as admin. This targeted approach isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.